Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2017 GMC Terrain that is GM factory certified. On the exterior, we have heated and power door mirrors, rear backup camera, and rear forward collision alert system. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and remote start. The 7-inch LCD display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This one-owner 2017 GMC Terrain has less than 51,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.